Everyone's looking at me like I'm crazy. Right, as you can see, it is fucking snowing. What the hell, this is so random. I did not expect this at all. And I could not go out. So we're gonna get some photos. It's actually quite well lit as well tonight. So I'm going to go all the way down to f1.4. I've got the Sigma 85mm on. I'm going to keep the ISO around 1000. And let's see what we can get. I kind of want someone to drive down this road, which this Mini's about to do right now. So let's try and get this shot. Shit. No, that just ruined my shot. Because I've got fucking self-timer on. Idiot. For fuck's sake. I've got to wait for another car to come. Damn it. I'm going to try and get one of the light. This looks so sick. And the thing is with snow as well, it transforms where you live. So like, this is a shitty little town, there's nothing on the street, but because it's snowing, everything looks so much cooler. So we're going to be able to get some cool shots here. I'm going to try and get one of the lampposts with the snow going past it. It's a bit blown out. God, that's so sick. That is so fucking sick. I've never shot in the snow, this is a first. I'm so excited. Let's try, oh, I could shoot through the tree actually to get the headlight. Let's try that. Yeah, that works. Be able to get a good reel out here with the snow. It's got about an hour left apparently. I'm gonna head up this way. That lorry looks pretty sick. Where are you going, Mr. Lorry? Where are you going, sir? Straight over. See if we can get a nice... God, this is so fucking cool. I do want to get... That's going to be the thumbnail. I'm going to lay in the middle of that roundabout and have the drone above. So hopefully I get that. If I do, well, you've already seen it, so hopefully I got it. This is a cool place as well. This park has like lights everywhere. So I'm going to head into the park. I'm just going to get a few... people coming around the roundabout. It's a big puddle there. I'm not walking in that. Actually, I'm going to go to the petrol station first. Oh, this will be sick with a lorry. That car ruined my photo, but oh well. God, snow is just sick, man. It's kind of lightened up though, it's not as heavy now. Try to get a picture through here. Like, even like all the headlights and everything, just looks so cool. Let's try to get on past the headlights. It's so funny, everyone's looking at me. No one around this town would ever see someone with a GoPro on their chest walking around in the snow. If I was in London, no one would think twice, but because I'm around here, everyone's like, what the fuck are you doing? Let's try and get that. This lorry will look pretty cool in the snow. Coming through. Let's try and get it. Nice. The lorries are good because they've got like dipped headlights and they're like dipped down through the snow. So that's actually a really cool shot. What else can we find? Definitely the petrol station because it will look really cool with the lights from there. I can barely see it, it's really actually heavy. Oh, I want to talk to this guy. So this guy here has a Nissan 240SX, a Subaru and a 370Z and some massive truck thing all parked up on his drive. And I'm like, excuse me, why are we not going and taking photos of them right now? Oh, that's quite nice actually with the doorway. Let's try and get that. I kind of want to get one in the middle of the road, but it's a bit risky. We'll try it. When everyone's moved out of the way. Oh, the light's gone off. Damn it. Maybe I can get through there. Not really. Yeah, I want to get one in the middle of the road with cars going past me and forward, but I've got to time it right. So I don't trust these people in the snow. Ugh. Whew. Got my Doc Martens on. Don't feel the cold at all. Oh, that is actually really cool there. Let me try and get... Alright, he's got his brake lights on. Let me try and get like the headlights of the car because it shows all the snow going past them, so I'll try and get a snap of that. I wonder if this person will notice me taking a picture. This would be cool under the headlight if I can get him walking under it. I'm going to frame it up now and pretend I'm shooting the headlight. Ugh. Am I an idiot? I just let him walk through the frame. I didn't even try, I just let him walk through it. Yeah, this is going to be sick. Look at the blizzard going across the petrol station, all lit up in the middle of the night. Yes. Yes. So there's photo opportunities everywhere. This would be a really good opportunity to do a car shoot as well. All the snow with a car chilling in the petrol station, all lit up, shooting from here. That would be so good. I could just go get the MX-5 to be fair. Maybe I will. But look, let's try to get this guy. That looks so sick. But it's just a bit, it's empty. There's nothing there. Nothing there. Let me try to go from further back. God, I'm just underestimating this 85mm. That is such a cool place for a car though. I might have to pull the MX-5 out or near the end of this video. You never know, I might accidentally drop the clutch and get the back end out. Let's head back down just because I don't want to, there's nothing else up there, so I have to. Alright, let's see what we can do in this little park. Wait, did they lock the gates? Surely not, it's just a fucking walkthrough. It's not like it's a fancy place. Surely not. Oh my god, they actually locked the gates. How pathetic. Oh well, let's try to get some shots of the snow. Kind of want to get some of like a... Well, yeah, nice. I just did that thing, you know, and like you taking pictures and then you think someone notices you, so you shit yourself. I just did that. I just shit myself, so I just stopped taking the picture. Right, let me go for this. Nice. Just want like the street light could be quite cool, to be fair. Might be too zoomed in. No, it's actually quite good. Let's bring it all the way up to like F4. Let's bring the ISO right down. Let's bring it even more, F9. There we go, and then that should bring the I can actually keep my ISO right down, you know. Yeah, we'll keep the ISO at 400. But obviously the higher aperture you go, the darker your photo gets, because it closes the ring tighter on the end of the lens. If you like look down the barrel of your lens, you'll see that it closes it really tight when you go higher, but when you go to a lower f-stop, it opens it right up, so it lets loads of light in. So if you're in a dark situation, you've got a lens that does 1.4, you can whack that right open and then brighten up your photo without having to use ISO. This is a really cool bit down here. It's just like, there's not a lot going on. There's a guy walking his dog and I could get him under the light if I time it right. So let's walk quick. He's going to hear the camera take a picture though, but what are you going to do, chase me in the snow? I'd like to see you try. Okay, I got scared again, sorry. That could have been a good photo for you, but I got scared. There's a guy looking at me, I could take a picture of him, but he's staring right at me. And again, I'm scared. I need to stop doing that. I could have just took that picture, that would have been so sick. But I was too nervous because I thought he was going to tell me off, even though he's 2 stories up, and by the time he came down I would have been gone. What an idiot. Oh. Right, let's try and get the swing. It's a bit dodgy down there. I shouldn't really be down there this late, but it's snowing, so no one dodge should be around. Imagine POV photography gets mugged. Where's the bench? There it is. Let me focus on the bench. Don't tell me I forgot to manual focus it. There we go. I think that was in focus. I hope it was. Right. Now's the decision whether to carry on going down here or to turn around. I reckon we carry on. Oh, that would have been a good shot there. Damn it, there's so many good shots underneath lights that I could get. I just keep missing. Because there's like odd people just walking around on their own. And if I can get them under like a street light or something like that with the snow and stuff coming down, it would look sick. Oh, you can see it as well, it's actually stopping. Damn it. Damn it. Slowing down right now. Oh, I could go up here. What's up here? Wall Street. Oh, Walker Street. There's a car coming here, let's try this. So I've tried some people coming now, so let's get on this platform. It's raised up a bit. Let's see if we can get some downward shots. Yes, I did it. I was going to shit myself, but I did it. That should be a good... Oh, there's a church there. How far away is that church? It's quite far. Oh, it just goes into another cul-de-sac. That's the thing, there's these little alleyways are the best for photos because it just, I don't know, there's just a lot going on. Well, with the snow, there wouldn't be, just on a normal day, it'd look like shit, but because it's a snowy night, oh, this alleyway would be sick if someone walked through this. This is really cool. Oh, that'd be so good if someone walked through that. See my shadow. What if I can get a picture of my shadow? I'll stick that on Instagram. That great shoot tonight. Absolute bangers. Ooh, Londis. What a cinematic shop. Fucking cheap little Londis. But it does look quite cool because it's, again, illuminated. Let's get this ISO right down. Let's go. Nice. Bring the ISO back up. About 400. Alright, let's check if there's any more shops down there or some random people walking around. I want like a lorry to come through again. I don't think that's going to happen. Pizza place that's closed. Oh, I want to get this open sign actually. Oh, he is in there. Oh, maybe I could get a shot. Let's see if I can focus in on him. Let's get him in the crack of the door. I think I got him. I should be able to crop in with that because this lens is very sharp, so it should retain a lot of the quality. Let's go. Well, that street's quite nice. Be good if I could get some people driving down that with the back headlights, but it might be. Just wait. Someone might drive down there. If they do, that'd be a good picture. Let's just wait a couple of minutes. I want to see if anyone drives down. No, doesn't look like it. We might get lucky on the way back. There's a gate here. I just want to look, see what's on this gate. Keep an eye out in case anyone drives down that road. I'll run back. Oh, there's a little keypad. Nice. Someone just come down this street, please. If anyone, drive down it. Go on. You know you want to. Someone's turning right, I think. Yeah, they are. Shit. Quick. Quick, 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 quick. You bastard. No. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, it's not focusing. Okay, I think I got one, but the camera started like this. You know what? This 85mm, I've noticed. It's £1,000, right, for this 85mm for one focal length. It stays at 85. You can't change it, and the autofocus on it just never works. I don't know if it's my camera or what, but especially with filming, it cannot decide where to put the focus. It's really, really shit. And I've found with photos as well, it just goes all over the place. I think it might be because it's, if I have it at f1.4, maybe that's quite a, like it wants a sharp subject and everything else blurry, so it finds it hard to decide what the subject is. Whereas if I had it at like f6, maybe it'd have a better, what do you call it? Oh, fuck knows, it'd just work better. So maybe it's me with the settings, but if not, then fuck me. It just doesn't autofocus when I need it to. beam was quite nice chilling. Oh man, that's quite nice actually with the cobwebs. See if we can get that. It's actually quite nice. So it's little things like that that normal people that don't give a fuck about photography wouldn't even look at twice. See pictures everywhere, you know. It's just like art. I just feel the pictures, you know. Sound like a right wanker. You know what I mean, though. Oh, this could be a good shot. If he comes all the way down, I can get his tail lights. It just looks really nice when they break and it's in the snow because it just reflects that red off of them, and you can edit it really nice. This could be a new preset, you know. I couldn't add it to the pack though. My preset pack is not available yet because I'm only just posting these things. There's the tail lights. There you go. Presets are out on Sunday, so this video is out on Friday. So you've got 2 days, and then my presets are going to be available on my website, which I think is in the description. If not, it's rossvisuals.uk, and you'll be able to buy 10. It's £10 for 10 presets, 10 walkthrough tutorials of each preset, and then 10 to 15 of my raw files for you to practice them on. So yeah, I'll teach you a little bit about editing, how I edit, how to use my presets, when to use them, and yeah, it's my first preset pack, so I'm excited for that. I really want a red traffic light. Is that really a dickhead to like press the red traffic lights just to get a picture? Let me see if there's anyone coming, and I'll do it when there's not a lot of people. Alright, there's not a lot of people now. I'm going to press it so I can get a picture. Oh, it's already doing it. Yeah, that red looks so much better. Yeah, that's sick. Here, an exhaust. Focus ST. Going for it. Got it. That's actually quite nice, the lorry going down the hill. I want to get someone's tail lights down this hill just for a potential thumbnail, just in case I fuck up the actual thumbnail. That'll be quite good there. Just need to wait for someone to come. Alright, if you could just get the fuck out of the way. Mr. Van, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Nice, yeah, this is a little van, let's get this. More people coming. Might be able to get headlights coming towards me though, with a car going away from me. Let's try. Yes, got it. I got it. What are you looking at? People are just staring at me. Fucking hell. Let's see if I can get a nice little roundabout shot as well. It is actually quite a nice angle on that roundabout. Let's see if we can get someone just walking through. Not walking through, driving through. No, it's not too bad. Let's just wait a little bit and see if we can get someone coming down this street. It's just good with the headlight. Everyone seems to be. Oh yeah, someone's going. Here we go. Perfect timing to finish the shoot. Nice one. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end it there. Short and sweet. Hopefully you enjoyed. I enjoyed shooting in the snow for the first time. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Oh. this is gonna be good for the photo. Make sure I'm in the right here, right there. It's really nice. Got it. Everyone's looking at me like I'm crazy.